Well, friends, good morning. Jayendra Rana here. So, we are taking up today claim settlement on various insurance policies. Claim settlement by insurers. Claim settlement by insurers. So the process by which an insurance company pays a policyholder for an account or for an accident or injury or a loss is called claim settlement. So the process can vary company to company, but some common steps are there. For example, verification of documents. So the insurance company will verify the claims against the policy outlined to ensure its legitimate and coverage of the policy. This may include providing a death certificate or a FIR if applicable. Another important aspect is investigation. If the claim requires further investigation, the insurance company must complete its procedures within a certain time frame. For example, according to the IRDA Policyholders Interest Regulation 2017, the insurer must settle a life insurance claim within 30 days of receiving all documents or within 90 days if further investigation is required. A third stage is settlement. Once the verification process is complete, the insurer will settle the claim. The initial payment may not be final, and the policyholder may receive multiple checks. The lender or management company may also have control over the payments. So once the verification process is completed and the insurer confirms there is no discrepancy in the claim application, a claim will be settled. Now the important question is, the claim procedure is different policy to policy. So for example, claim procedure in respect of a life insurance policy. So in respect of maturity, survival benefits claims and annuities, the life insurer shall initiate the claim process by sending intimations sufficiently in advance or send post-dated check or give direct date to the bank account of claimant through any electronic mode approved by RBI so as to pay the claim on or before the due date. So in case of any delay on the part of the insurer in settling the claim on due dates, the life insurer shall pay interest at a rate which is 2% above the bank rate from the due date of payment or date of receipt of last necessary document from the insured or claimant, whichever is later. So in the respect of free look period, the cancellation, surrender, withdrawal, request for refund of proposal deposit or refund of outstanding proposal deposit, if any, shall be processed and paid within 15 days of the receipt of the request or last necessary document, filing which the insurer shall pay penal interest at a rate which is 2% above bank rate from the date of request or receipt of last necessary document, if any, whichever is later from the insured or claimant. So the administration of health insurance policies issued by life insurers shall also be governed by the Health Insurance Regulations 2016. So the interest payment is referred above in subs regulation 2nd, 3, 4, 5 shall be paid by the life insurer suo motu without waiting for a specific demand from the insured or claimant. Now, an insured or the claimant shall give notice to the insurer of any loss in case of claim, any death in case of claim. So, this is a procedure of life insurance policies to settle a claim. Now, coming to the general insurance policies. What happens in general insurance policies? An insured or the claimant shall give notice to the insurer of any loss arising under contract of insurance at the earliest or within such extended time as may be allowed by the insurer. So, on receipt of such a communication, a general insurer shall respond immediately and give clear information to the insured on the procedures that he should follow. In cases where a surveyor has to be appointed for assessing a loss or claim, it shall do so immediately. In case within 72 hours of the receipt of intimation from the insured, means insured shall communicate the details of the appointment of surveyor, including the role, duties and responsibilities of the surveyor to the insured by letter, email or any other electronic form immediately after the appointment of the surveyor. Then the insurer shall within 7 days, the surveyor shall within 7 days of the claim intimation inform the insured claimant of these essential documents and other requirements that the claimant should submit in support of the claim. So, where documents are available in public domain or with a public authority, the surveyor, insurer shall obtain them. Then the surveyor shall start this survey immediately unless there is a contingency that delays immediate survey. In any case, within 48 hours of his appointment, so interim report of physical details of the loss shall be recorded and uploaded or forwarded to the insurer within the shortest time, but not later than 15 days from the date of first visit of the surveyor. So, a copy of the interim report shall be furnished by the insurer to the insured or claimant if he so desires. So, where the insured is unable to furnish all the particulars required by the surveyor, or where the surveyor does not receive the full cooperation of the insurer or the surveyor, as the case may be, shall inform in writing to the insured under intimation or information to the insurer about consequent delay that may result in the assessment of the claim. So, it shall be the duty equally of the insurer and the surveyor to follow up with the insured for pending information or documents guiding the insured with regard to submission to be made. So, the insurer or the surveyor shall not call for any information or document that is not relevant for the claim. Then the surveyor shall subject sub-regulation 4 above, submit his final report to the insurer within 30 days of his appointment. A copy of surveyor's report shall be furnished by the insurer to the insured claimant if he so desires. So, in case of claim made in respect of commercial and large risk, the surveyor shall submit the final report to the insurer within 90 days of his appointment. However, such claims shall be settled by the insurer within 30 days of receipt of final survey report and the last relevant and necessary document as the case may be. So, whereas special circumstances exist in respect of a claim, either due to its special or complicated nature, or due to difficulties associated with replacement or reinstatement, the surveyor shall seek an extension from insurer for submission of his report. In such an event, the insurer shall give the status to the insured or claimant fortnightly wherever warranted. So, the insurer may make provision on account payment based on the admitted claim liability. So if an insurer on receipt of a survey report finds that it is incomplete and in any respect require the surveyor under intimation to the insured claimant to furnish an additional report on certain specific issues as may be required by the insurer, such a request may be made by the insurer within 15 days. So provided that the facility of calling for an additional report by the insurer shall not be resorted to more than once. So on receipt of the final survey report, the claim will be settled within 30 days. In case the amount admitted is less than the amount claimed, then the insurer shall inform the insured claimant in writing about the basis of settlement in particular. What the claim is rejected, the insurer shall give the reason for the same in writing, drawing reference to the specific terms and conditions of the policy document. So in the event of claim is not settled within 30 days as stipulated above, the insurer shall be liable to pay interest at a rate of 2% above the bank rate from the date on receipt of last relevant and necessary document from the insured or claimant by the insurer till the date of actual payment. And if the policy is health insurance policy, then the insurer shall adhere to the procedures laid down under Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, Health Insurance Regulations 2016 for settlement of health insurance claim. Means insurer shall settle the claim within 30 days from the date of receipt of last necessary document in accordance with the provisions of Regulation 27 of IRDAI Health Insurance Regulation 2016. In the case of delay in the payment of claim, the insurer shall be liable to pay interest from the date of receipt of last necessary document to the date of payment of claim at a rate of 2% above the bank rate. However, where the circumstances of a claim warrant an investigation in the opinion of the insurer, it shall initiate and complete such investigation at the earliest, in any case not later than 30 days from the date of receipt of last necessary documents. In such case, insurer shall settle the claim within 45 days. In case of delay beyond the stipulated 45 days, the insurer shall be liable to pay interest at the rate of 2% above the bank rate from the date of receipt of last necessary documents. Return of premium on cancellation during free look period shall be processed in accordance with the provisions of Regulation 14 of the IRDAI Health Insurance Regulation 2016. Any refund shall be processed with speed and shall be refunded within 15 days from the date of receipt of request for free look cancellation. So health insurance claim for the purpose of this regulation shall be claim arising under all insurance policies issued by life, general or health insurers in respect of health insurance business as defined in section 2(6)(c) of the Act. So this is the claim settlement procedure which the insurance companies must follow, and claims should be settled timely because this is the raison d'etre of the insurance companies. If the claim service is better, the trust and confidence of customer is always better in the insurer. Thank you very much.